Sprawl your hips out. There you go. Now just walk up his body. Walk up his body. Good. There you go. And reset. Good. Try to hold his head down and aggravate the crap out of it. There you go. Once you feel his weight shift, try to explode to me. Don't turn your back. There you go. 30 seconds. Good job. A little bit more. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.